Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Naruto, are you using Gemini in Google Sheets?
Actually, I wasn't using it much before. It just gave basic stuff.
I see, indeed. Before it was not much useful, but now I use it so much for tasks like creating formulas that I barely use Google search anymore.
Oh, you definitely need to tell me more about that.
Of course. Then today we will talk about Gemini in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Previously, Gemini in Sheets could create and summarize tables and documents, generate complex formulas, which is my most used feature, analyze data and create charts, generate images, which is now even more powerful in tools like slides.
Hold on, it can generate images in Sheets?
Yes, it connects across tools now, but that's a story for another day, okay? The game-changing update, Editable charts. The biggest changes in charts creation, it's a true revolution for Google Sheets. Before, Gemini could create charts, but they were just static images. If you asked for a sales chart and then your sales data changed from 100,000 to 125,000, the chart wouldn't update. Ooh. You couldn't change axis or anything because it was just a picture.
Yeah, I remember trying to click on one. Nothing happened. Super frustrating.
Exactly. Now Gemini creates fully editable charts. These are real chart objects, not images. This means they are dynamically linked to your data and can be customized just like any chart you'd make manually. It's a massive improvement. Let's see it in action. Creating an editable chart. Here, I have some sample sales data. I'll just ask Gemini to create a daily sales chart. It analyzes the data, correctly identifies the range, and instantly generates a chart. When I insert the chart, it's not a static image. I can immediately open the settings to customize it. For example, I can change the vertical axis format to currency or change the chart type from a line to a bar chart. This is possible because it's a real dynamic chart object.
Whoa, so you don't even need to manually select the range or mess with chart tools anymore.
Exactly. That whole setup step, handled by Gemini. A new business workflow. Think of the possibilities for managing data like a customer inquiry log. You can now use Gemini for the entire processes. How to create a table? Ask Gemini to set up a table with columns for date, category, and priority. To generate formulas, ask Gemini create formulas to automate statuses or dates. And to analyze the chart, once you have data, ask Gemini to analyze it and create a chart showing inquiry trends.
This could seriously save our support team hours every week.
Right? The entire workflow, from setup to analysis, can now be done inside Sheets with Gemini. Don't just see Sheets as a simple spreadsheet tool. Their combination with Gemini creates powerful new possibilities.
You can now create fully editable dynamic charts.
Yes. The key takeaway is that you can now create fully editable charts. Google says some very complex charts might still be created as images. If this happens, just try rephrasing your request. It's a powerful feature, so be sure to use it.
I guess the real challenge now is getting everyone else to try it.
Yes, we'll help all of you to make it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time!